Ebraso, your hottest afternoon sports show is airborne. We say I'm going to Kwaba Sonkokra. Onya 95.1 FM Sunye. You didn't come off. I good demo. And Manano and some ewum. If you and some ewum. Nana and some no etem cray. Yabeko and Kofon Cross Wasuzwa. Not yet to me. I share the transfer stories in home. Sadio Mane Asuzwa. And we Timude Mao. Wabama to the Saudi Arabia. Wakotonyum. I wanted the dining hall. Sadio Mane. Akotonyum. Yeah, the one some air bar and ne and you Shadow Swami said, Lionel Andrea Messi. Lionel Andrea Messi. I want some more high. You didn't know so and so air bar. And I feel so. Tottenham Hotspur. Hurricane in some Carlo Ancelotti. And I went to Korean Famano. I was a princess in air coso, air war, and nay, and Kofon Crosso. You better your boss in your try. Not yet to me, I con seven. Not wait me with some of the at the airport. Now, me at Tom, that's how they do me. And I could see that. I tell PK, air passo, commercial air passo, din pa. Arsenal against Manchester City. You better come back a crack. It's on South China. You better come back a crack. You better be me and Sana. The arcade to me a cap. But over fin someone. Ghana Football Association penny for at the roadmap. It's the GFA elections no. We can say about Toja. And that year to above. And that year nomination forms. And that year picking forms. And that year vetting. And that year integrity and the interviews. I was saying you had them anymore. You don't come out and so bad. The pioneers will come across. Nana, you must say a crap. Then you say, Cat or Krekum, and then someone to just say, and that's how your roadmap now. And come here and say, you're ready to me up to the president, Amalan Sana. Let me have a two Arifidianum, and Canon Tissa. If you don't come off, that's in our heart, the latest in our and so a bad the penance of Kuma. But somebody there, Isaac and Sapija, what's not say? Or they are coming on him. Man of page. I paid a quaba.
Yeah, they are Fred.
Oh,
are they?
That be a pedal. I mean, any problem. Baby, I'm called here.
Now we have to be a come on.
Okay. Okay. Yate. Baby, I fine. When you be the way.
Mindidi the whole day. Mindidi the whole day.
The only day.
No, I've not eaten yet.
Scow.
The better the will be.
I'm for the car.
Be
I went now the car will be.
Because what the car?
It's all good.
Oh, we do so much, but deliberate. Say, one best one the pa. And I mean, so I didn't see what I see. So they say,
we were to God, you must chunk in your bottle.
We, I did why I'm fancy.
I
didn't see partners over there say, made in the car.
Oh, Pesa, we are so by it. And I said,
no. Nipa ba kopere mde nika ono kra no me mama go ahead so onyi sika me sika bi da ba bi na so onko yibi ba ono ne nkoye
ba ko for de woka
bebre
obubu nsa ne ba be sene de woka
listen to Alfred me
ka de bolis
what de ka 120 Ghana nat de ka 120 Safoma de ka 120 pa kwase ni 50 cedis
e no was go
enya me dia me nat de ka 120
mami ngum kakra
we zu we gum
me who me 10 cities.
Park was 50
Ghana. Okay. But me yanko mra. Yanko adanembra. Yeah. Yanko ba bibia be fine.
And this yanko
bibia be fine.
And they cut all the lines. Make sure the vessel settle before the call. Sir. Yo. Oye.
No ye pa. Obian na uchichi no way.
Sir, what do we come as chichi? Share. I am woman we. What do we cut? Hey. Now, was it a roadmap number?
Abba.
It's the many the venom we had any day.
September, never to Kato Krikuso Traba.
Next month, yeah.
Next month. 14th.
Less than 2 months.
Yes. Nami Adama when next week's Friday. 11th Friday, right?
Yes.
And verdict na be close no. But assembly
be filing no.
Assembly aba.
Tobo. What's 11th in the bed?
What them prepare home road map.
Me come no ne kra.
Sir.
Hey, na GFL to aba.
I say 11th by next week Friday. Na unko fa form so person stand any GFA elections na no. It is also cost an GFA president na from enne ekosi next week Friday so ko fa form no.
Sisubium.
Me see apeja wuti we so contest keto kreku o so contest kata o so call school board no so and executive council board no so and women's one o so koso a SN we know ka say up to 5 p.m. you close at the following ochna holiday to MBA from next week Monday from 8 to 5, Tuesday 8 to 5, Wednesday 8 to 5, Thursday 8 to 5, Friday 8, you bought 5 for Kunkron.
So, Otina Friday now, or 3.
Yes.
And a deadline.
So,
5 p.m. nomination form.
5 p.m.
Anna.
Good. 5 p.m.
Oh, my idea.
Until over 5 tour. You perform.
No, they have to consider. Okay. January 1.
Yes, and year 1.
2.
Vetting, what I'm interested in the war. And year 21st August.
Why am I never vetted? Mono.
Make a home. Me a Panama vessel. Maybe service. Maybe interest or integrity.
Or man in camera, and I say, not in camera.
Omunyam and Tommy Proso. And Tommy Proso.
Okay.
But vetting the other in Sada in your camera, sir.
Okay.
But we are resource of the vetting.
Next one.
And they say to me at the bar.
Next one.
Your final decision of the approval.
The integrity test in him.
A vetting, no. A shame.
I was on the bar Bontini young Hubi.
No, see, only we are vetting now.
You some of the camera so
no, you are vetting.
A public accounts.
You are vetting now. Oman qualifying. Yeah, Pinifo bet the reason why Oman qualifying. Say integrity the real one.
And if you question next a year.
No, I had headquarters.
Come baby do.
Oh,
then and let me buy me
Philip on GFA elections.
And then more be market. Me te Philip me what market. If you catch one more muti and say, "Oh, more cat, man," and say, "The Philip,
you review a roadmap, but as some are on this roadmap, me. And when there are these elections, no, a bit me could pay court. And just bit me about that.
And I make her say, "Me banner, and upon me banner." Who's an announce you?
And soon
me driver no.
Oh yeah, or late kakra.
Yes. Yeah, you know me, you know. Obi farming. Papa Nika see ba. Oh, gonna
football.
One sitting poor mammy. Or do me see anymore?
We see office direct streets.
Oh, do me see office.
Oh, why are they?
You're not twice who can say no office will decide. Now, I small catch them or two about you.
Oh, Jina, that's all two aba.
Or two aba.
Oh, okay.
Now, small can say election.
We decided we were to about.
Or decide here. Let me catch and say, and go for your campaign. Aside that, you knew Crawford. Ombe pass integrity test ni hwan no much me dey call for election proper life wo
okay
inti Alfred o kan sem ni na mbisa nti say no nim obia no was settle on his decision because ket it so as it stands now you say George free ebeba
okay
you say Mr. Kojo Yanka
okay
I know you honorable Kojo Yanka
Mr.
Kojo Yanka and so say obeba.
Yes.
These are the two names yatis officially. Omo make your intentions clear.
O say na janto tie.
Na janto de ndi ha say
yato
sum bim.
Yes, then yen nka
fem o de buy no de ha dodo na omo di na chi say yes fem. Alfred asmo kan say integrity test no per names e ba bontin no. There are two people who they will pass.
Over pass integrity test.
Or can't say me plain. Say kasiye baku wom. Likely. So bet me lusu. Obe fail integrity test. Na me nimu da say.
Why not so be?
Why I mean modin.
Oh no, nipo kan. Nipo be fail na so.
And I'm missing me modin.
Oh, apeja den I don't know being fail.
Or can't say me plain. They have evidence.
Clear evidence.
Videos. Or sansuka. One audio was actualities. Yes. Or say
more against that particular candidate.
Candidates, you know. But now me person me bow na dream who baby or no.
Or co esco na or co president.
President for be. they are no all kind of one seven no ono ko esco ba ko be ko esco na omo ye nipa tere na o ko mo asem ba ko be ko esco e na a man dey no say women's football fantastic mienu nso be wura mo ho but likely say kase ba ko be to form it's Alfred no kra ni say minimum da say na omo di road map no ba o enti e be sin common some say
o Facebook at to was pana twen me remember Facebook me be to
o the road map no be to
some high onua
fantastic
me be yes say bam
ba me wasam ka
me be so
me wasam ka de kire Mr. Kojoyanka
o wasam ka kire
yes
yen kwam no nemra
yen kwam say me real bet me fi two me say so wasam ka e de kire George kwesi a free Uncle George and me wasam kase pa e ka kire cat ES okreku
say Uncle George ne Kojoyanka nya kese ba kede ne kese
pa de to so miensa e nine me wasam at baby ayi be dim ba ko pa so e women's football Alfred me titi say yi so beba mami o ye doctor or servima is it berry ladies and I say
yeah mati me hu no
mami your friend say ka
tough woman be no me hu no me hu no
to pass ye be ko am no na ayi ye ntia
o ya ye yansa na
mami o berry ladies mami your friend say doctor
the friend say
Mami Gifty.
Mami Gift. Oh.
Okay. Mami Gift. Now women's football here penny say one.
Yes.
One. Hey. And now Hazakes mami.
See you every instance sorry.
Hello. It is Mama Happy Batasu ho.
Happy Batasu. There's one woman
missing from. And lady be so Cape Coast.
Yes. Yes. But I doubt so be say anko.
Madam do Cape Coast.
Yes.
You see the team have qualified or no am so say chire. On the team the team no for so say or ye big woman we chira. On the sponsor for so team no man ba. Also be so best kono so.
Okay. Say woman slot na 1 and 2.
One.
Enti nipa be 4 ba.
Enya 4. Me say now to be honest with you, seriously speaking, let me say roadmap no ba bontin.
Wow. But me issues kakra on the road map, you know. Me issues kakra on the road map, you know. One, sikasem form no fee no.
Say.
Na if some Congress am ko jitum 1 ya dey.
Tumaja tuma wo issue say.
Me issue kakra.
Congress aja tuma wo issue
the football people.
Oh. Le down na ye better ha ye ni ho ha
elections no. Road map no I say aba be so because you have just about 1 week.
To campaign
to end nominations. And
it's almost how many days to do their campaign?
No, say walk for we are. Then submission date no wa so edu wa me
submission date ni da be and election na say da be.
Yes. Election is September 14th.
14th September.
Yes.
After check dan na men show nkomo ha.
Yes.
Hey, you see yan show nkomo dan pai. Na men ka say min kire o. I say bit match me. On the 14th of September, a Thursday, and then that be,
and that's a Thursday.
Roadmap no bad be.
Roadmap is on the Thursday, yeah.
Fantastic. Me be cast him biachiro. And I make say, woman be jano. Say, yemfa say woman me say na pass it. Integrity test. Now woman ba be ye election na assembly. One na wonim so ogina ho no.
Yeah.
Won hwe yie. Na wan yeden.
Wan
hwase.
By elections no 27th September.
Fred, o me boss me come sam mem.
27.
Yeah, election Wednesday.
Wednesday. Election of the president, election of the executive council, Premier League Division 1 and Women's Premier League refs. And then 2 days time, Friday, elections for RFA chairperson.
That RFA then be on the 29th.
29th, Friday. And then the weekend be very long. Be come up. And RFA chairpersons no, so executives no, and so be call 5th October. At that time, I call me madam in a birthday.
Okay.
And no. And then any RFA chama ba ko interview on Onua TV.
Obesako.
To be bisa no.
Okay.
So charge for road map for Yoki. So you join mo 10,000 and sana.
10,000 then.
$10K.
Dollars.
da be Ghana City.
Okay.
Yeah, je 10k and sana. Utimi astande. 40. I bet yenko.
Yenche.
Yenko.
Because roadmap na ba no. Mimi won some ka.
Yenko man yemenya hu.
Ntimi chase o hu.
Chase.
Nti obey mi ye da ben.
Bibia be fine.
Fantastic. Ye kwa money na ye money teteo. Ye hu sere chene city Ghana Football Association presidency elections no and then roadmap let me out of form kama anto wa mati say unso be money ta show no na nay yetumi ayi ho adwuma kama ediama and Richard Richard and AE skills hono Robert and AE skills hono enye asem kotwakra Kylian Mbappe esia kan edema bobo kwa wontin ede Paris Saint-Germain unim sa branchera start pre-season bibia koso kama so obeko so be extending contract and also be stay in the season work for free no eno ne egu hu edi hu komo reporter we eba etrese enei wo call friends akwa krata wo do be se be se be to dwa se wo Martin ba bi se Kylian Mbappe di komo so onya Chelsea obebo na obebo Chelsea dia obebo Chelsea 1 year now wait me if you are joining Real Madrid the following season and here reporter we here picking from Air France Kylian Mbappe was when your Madrid obebo ni nkwa na nyina nemum this season person fi PSG not nani HM Chelsea no kobo a season loan edema team din eri Chelsea and here reporter we enso eba ye de eso mo twede so yanko piemu ewo Arsenal kola kitwa de ti Marquinhos we him sa Brente we bobo kwa hodo miensa Empoli Frosinone and Timothy Ede Sassuolo reporter we eba so 1 million saying na see Arsenal call akitwa de Ede Marquinhos Robert you brutal so when you have Brante ya womo ene ne ebe ya adwuma eye papa ye kire say Arsenal from pen for person dey call another loan now Brante no konya another experience no obeba no ayet say William Saliba no aben say tutu na bibia so tiri akoso Ede ama Arsenal bobo ekono yanko Chelsea Alfred Chelsea to goalkeeper foforo wo ba kan na no de catch am say wo mu kofa goalkeeper ba ko a wono wo Brighton wo mu ni din komo say obeja tum no be sia karema Chelsea say yes papa ne din mo so Pochettino say wono dia Brante ne din Ede keeper no why did there but up another goalkeeper obetimi augment the goalkeeping department and we the upper it's a Brighton and Hove Albion one goalkeeper the team Robert Sanchez coach Chelsea anisa personal terms abrantena jatum obesi akademo Chelsea Brighton any Chelsea so jatum sa Brighton the team Robert Sanchez no one mama goalkeeper and Fema Timothy at Chelsea and Chelsea baba ye new goalkeeper the team at Robert Sanchez and bia next season no we say Chelsea take Comengia in post is goalkeeper Robert Sanchez for Chelsea na sanyasam kutwakra and na eba and na awie yamfia ni Chelsea from na yanko piemu ewo and Chelsea wanna say na Branchel Shefufuo anything edit Ty Adams or Leeds United you say Chelsea dia kwakotum 20 million pounds Ty Adams offer team Leeds no me share kan enfama Chelsea bobo kono na bibia so ntimi enkoso kama na na Chelsea fo ania brepa sa Branchel the thing enso so edit Ty Adams no 20 no between the akoko dia say Leeds for say 20 million pounds ni so and it on person kaka ho na wam Chelsea for be fa Branchel Chelsea ya ready dia on first carry bin ka ho na me fa Branchel retain enso so edit Ty Adams and here the elpa and ahwei ya dey asumo 20 so ya fia ni Chelsea from na yenkonko piemu ewo Chelsea ho piemu na Chelsea nkomo no toss papa ya say approach ahodo atimi apa say investors person mo ka bom no mo raise additional funds edema Chelsea wo mo season a ye bebe wuramu reporter eba atra say Chelsea bobo kono when you say Chelsea we don't need chema last season take over the power and you see performance at team done you know investors no extremely excited they are not okay they are not happy and into one person will raise enough funds now wom etmika bom na be pianso etmi akọ into Clear Lake air capital for no see more dollars eba yenkonko piemu e won sam fufromu na yetani e kiremu e wo boboko a wonti e PSG Neymar da Silva Santos Junior na kachi ena wie ye kopie na de eba echese PSG boboko no e de ba betu twa discussions ahoto e ko na wom epese wom offer Brentford thing e di Neymar da Silva Santos Junior Edinma FC Barcelona na wam etumi ebomoden so metumi edi Usman Dembele and so etumi apa ya say discussions no cost no omo make such proposal ya say France boboko PSG and recommend a loan deal na so beto mo a enopeni anitin edi Xavi as no on pet Neymar ewo Barca boboko no mubium and no eye defi abranta the thing Eti Neymar da Silva Santos Junior Yanko Josko Vadio or a defender say Kerma RB Leipzig walk up ye our Kata and when some yompo Kromano ya say Nukreni Nyamienim a branded team Eddie Josko Vadio one of the defenders I know Modebo Suri Papa Robert Bruta or the picture not to so say Tafa Facebook when so bet me join you Facebook now what to me who said and share it now the upper a branded team Josko Vadio no were passing in medicals at Manchester City Ofi RB Leipzig Ababe Yachuma Edema PAAA Man City report nature say £90 million Ayesika eto from away Josko Vadio hopefully Otina Mimina na Brantony Babe City player and here the Elpa and away Yanko Piemu ewo Popo Kawuntin edi Galatasaray na Brantony Dini Karim Dermebe Brantony Shekan eti Emma Bayer Leverkusen reporter Eba says Galatasaray apa Brantia Karim de Mebebe ehon entuma chairman ubu adwuma pa na more questions ma when boss and NBA TV no so na the Eba says 3.7 million euros and this guy say Galatasaray de Leverkusen and no idea for Eba ya go PSG biom na ya say the edika PSG bobo kono Brantia de Goncalo Ramos and Usman Dembele efiada me na de no mienu na baba betu ni nane say PSG first one top big name one better young blood now we met me the Champions League to say the City INB the Eba say Goncalo Ramos one enam kwanso Eba ofi Benfica personal terms sorted medical sorted akasi one bejatum na prante na babe shakai edi amatimonti edi Paris Saint-Germain Manuel Lanzini oko River Plate West Ham United wobokono Wamanya confirms a printed thing at Manuel Lanzini team nemo wadnani actually the boyhood club at the Akwaku Piemu ewo Pobo Kwawuntin at the River Plate. Yase Real Sociedad Bobo Kono at the offer Cassia Ebae Real Betis at the offer Cassia Ebae. Now so printed thing at the Manuel Lanzini or sinin kola Brembo Bokono a River Plate. So no befi West Ham no call team Antini Air Sociedad and as a Real Betis there and Kasori Ninku or Kwako Shia Kain Ediama Timontain and so at the River Plate and no Edia Eba Al Hilal Bobokono report Richards so still on Pabranta the Frank Cassier and for any officer Akota Branton Apnos 1 2 no almost one of the GDS Bassa Niska and the Kakran of the Mabasa Bobokono Bassa Besum no mama Branton opportunities on Gongo say I can't find Hila Bobokono no so my ready send si call you a Bassa no Poho and a Branton Yaman here or Kel Crobet Biamano or Mammy any and Yanum a year any ma obetwe sky homo pa and no idea few about almost almost the decision from Frank Kessie now Brantanet me aba be rem aba be sia kan one more describe is a lucrative offer and more etema Branta the team man all lands and I say Brantanet Frank Kessie Sofian Amarabat reporter Eba say when your offer is super at the fee Saudi Arabia but they say Brantanum so no oyem kemoni Muslim and can ne okopio Saudi ebe boane som na watumi asom nyame yenso aka bo obebo no anya sika no ho yase Abrantes in priority ni say obenya UEFA Champions League abo enti offer Manchester dey aba no o consider so obekwa akosi na emu assistance na ono de onim say de no ayeka Hausa say Duka Daya onim so obekọ no still onim so okọ ana say onko Alfred yere amano ni nsem ni see sense and then komo ho na medisi wo ha de a de tell say Kudus Mohammed
we go do London
Onyame druye
na da be no be do London
Kama Din Sulemana
oko
Onyankoi
also call France
likely
okay
na unim say Monaco Boboko no omope ono ena Dennis Zakaria obeshia Karema Chelsea on loan from Juventus
yes
good ehwema ba wie e kire say Monaco at the first bid atum for Denis Zakaria.
Okay.
Ono another player Monaco epe. Kamaldeen ye tete say Monaco at the offer ebetum enewie ye de kire. Team a wondin edit Everton. E wo Goodison Park. Team sa omo share blue jerseys ni de me share da am feel omo. But you say Everton. Coach and Dennis on Dyke. Who's all Kasa here? You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. I think this game we're going to win. You know, the voice mode to pass. Our coach Nathan Miken. Yes, what catch in penny for no. So Australia problem we move last season, last 2 seasons, any last 3 seasons, you know. Ebia to team be Ghana and friend Ken Fazer. 3 seasons, they toss me as one koi. This is one when you toss me and said this is no battle relegation. Omeka championship. In the Kamaldeen, no championship no. Omunko fan emre no. Good sense also no onya Kamaldeen. We you know well. Ama Kamaldeen aye more leg no muntumi. Ya de chom ko muntumi.
Anam ka so onya Kamaldeen obetimi adi championship no.
Kudus Mohammed, Alfred, Ayaz Boboko no. Omanya ni replacement.
That take boy na.
Meba na ni dine de pam person put in ma.
Alfredo the Takyi Mensah.
No. Who didn't jadanya de. Ochi sukrem fa. Ko say.
Auntie the Alfredo na peje
oh yes, yeah, the Alfredo ne apeja ne comment there. Alfredo no be there say apeja no because we know
full stop.
Apeja no bo be wu. Obi twa hwekra. Na de tie ne say Ayaz Boboko no. Womanya replacement for Kudus Mohammed. Na Kudus deal no de tie ni. Arsenal 4% omokofa Branton no. Na Alfred me no bon komona say we need say na hardwin.
Me too.
Yes, Nasi. Umva. Ebesi akan edema Ayaz.
Player ndi no.
Yes.
Honestly a playmaker.
Yes. Oh, very good. But Kudus here the same.
There's a good move in there definitely ever happened.
Yes. Very likely. Yes, see.
So between Arsenal and Chelsea, here Kudus obeko.
Honestly, Kudus Arsenal. Mimi who be obebo sisi.
Who be obebo?
Yes, no credit there ba ko pe.
What me motu na peje ko bon kaka apete pate bon kaka kra no. Tu no ntimi mo.
Kudus motu. When Arsenal nim ho no.
Ontimi na go ma.
Me we be say question jai ho cheche no kra. Kudus enim ho Arsenal players 3. At that time no promise Martinelli at the left. Na Nigeria ni also of England. Ejasaka at the right.
Na Brazil ni say finfin wa.
Jesus at the finfin. Jesus a pra. You say be at 3 months. You start season. We pra say.
Me won san katia kra make comment be on that.
Good.
E pra no.
I didn't get there there. So didn't get here to anim ho.
Also bet me deliver.
Yo, yeah then I say. Maybe there. We didn't get here jina anim ho. That's how Bo Kudus force number 9.
O prefer.
Me to Kudus.
But say Gabriel Susba as a good or transfer.
And no na make any finfin ho no. Madi can catch roll before say
Muntimi man in Trabent.
Odegaard. He's our best player.
Good Urus nya den chen no.
Ish. They are very good players.
Okay.
Cause Kudus no ball. Odegaard is home. Ba.
Okay.
Enti me come way. Na me ko. Kodan meka. Dey teni. Alfred. Kudus no ba Arsenal say na mid no kreni oni ball. But I bet do you know why? Thomas
enye de opeo.
There be some medical catch us say Brighton eba Kudus ho. Omo ko akire.
Me say me hu latest about
omo ko akire. Omo ko akire.
Because omo sika sam na enye yi sa.
Enye so omo sika sam enye yi. Omo sika. Na bu omo bu nkofo yi. Omo top players no man nkofo sa. Azi omo ton Undaf. Omo je coins at the Stuttgart. Omo sika omo betumi ato Kudus 40 million na dan so no. Brighton can pay. See, class for Manchester to go keeper Chelsea. Yeah. Robert Sanchez will not send Nebu Chelsea for. I'm not going to low, no being high. Alfred, Brighton Kudus no more Chelsea. But they are still interested. But one front runner say be die be a month ago. And Chelsea, echo it. But Chelsea no, the omo ya mana ye hu ni say, omo priority no pa na nye Kudus.
Okay. So when you be there no makọ.
Omo play defensive midfielder. On say Kudus so offensive.
Yeah.
How Kudus no know a player.
What about Bob 4 positions?
Mikel Arteta and so clearly or Kudus.
Okay.
You see Edu Gaspar no director of sports no. Or Kudus clips sa or Philip Boy no. Now project as na here now. I didn't see Ama Kudus as na nyanko and say they need to sell.
Omunton ya omuntimi.
Enti as na 4 person mucha Florent Balogun Eddie. Alfred me transfer story na cho need hwebanim.
Me ti opa.
Good. Florent Balogun so catch as na for say on loan onya bi ma on loan omunton no Inter for buy omukuto mu 30 million euros. Wo de be ma 25 million.
Isa.
And Arsenal for so pay 50 million pounds. Wo de Roma 65 70 million.
And so the
euros.
Dodo.
Okay.
Ni be free ba o.
Okay. Florent Balogun upon national team US. French Ligue 1 national top scorer is not top 4 is a 3 last season. Brutal want me and ne map wa wo konti. Many abrepa. Eti as a person mu chess abrant na dey betua ma Kudus move no. Arsenal for come from today onwards no. The injury of Gabriel Jesus. Yeah. But who tell me? Who say you follow conform mu di Arsenal for echi. Na obi o kan se me pa e wo transfer story about Arsenal ehu no. Abrant e friend. Fabrizio. No. Oh, Arsenal story a. Ono kan se o tell be si. Enya Fabrizio asem kra. David Austin. First no BBC say o the Athletic.
Yeah.
Who tell me? Ono na se na o kan. Ono no kakas aka say.
O se dey.
Arsenal was strong interest. Wo Kudus but they need to sell. Inti Inter for and come to aboyen. No matter be Balogun ni ebu omo 50 million pounds. Ni ate 40. E dey akwa for Kudus aba. Enu ni. The Kudus need there. Chances of leaving, you know, are very high. I as once were making it clear. When the right offer comes, Kudus will leave.
Okay. I pay me that say.
Timinko.
Me ba me tua half. You call ba na me the half na so.
We know a very good relationship.
And then for sika say.
Because
one we kwa ma pound be 3 days and say ye.
One yen ye, eno nyam masem. One yen ye ne sika say ntemu.
Yeah friendly. My mama super brana yen amana ne nsam ne kakra. Ye was smart be edu enum awe ni na yen hwe especially Ghana for a transfer no. Yen hwe mu kakra. The likes of Kudus and Kamaldeen. You heard these 2 guys here. Yeah.
Transfer we no be we it's omu close no start league now.
Yeah.
You be comprehensive analysis on Ghanaian players.
Exactly. Yeah, that's true.
How wo moves no e be impact o man kasa career.
And
then na enye sunsanso Black Stars. Jiku any amati no mko take it.
Yeah.
In fact so the Black Stars.
France or Germany or Italy or Spain was straight to it.
Salisu move away from championship side Southampton. Echo Monaco.
Take it to him, so be empusu kakra. Said take it in a day.
You feel na make as a mitro.
Me you with him.
Oh yeah. Eh?
Okay. Mami na is can snap ja ase amana nsam no na odi amaya wa ha enso no ye ni nkomo kakra enwa ba na ye nya hoho ewo efi ha in the person of Andrews Kwesiation oko Western Regional or one of the experienced sports broadcasters and afi so or football person currently or church of opinion Edema Western North Football Association. And that nkomo nyina no ebe sports pundit and I say sports journalist. Nya about maybe ufi eba because so na ye no. Yeah middlemen. Yeah boha abaha enema akọ. Super kwaba.
Yeah, make you so.
What are papa there? An outdoor circle.
Andre de Remy Morgan are you?
Me say papa there.
But this is an original Puma jersey for the Black Stars.
One auto circle. And I'm that's one of them national team of the mount.
It's a national team jersey. This is
as a sign do. And I fufro.
No, but what I was my boy.
And that's more than a pijata there.
Men Kaisa Mato jersey was circled.
Okay.
Men Kai.
When was the last time we did fufu?
Mindi fufu. Into maybe some sasam. Mindi fufu.
Say
My dream daho.
Say nuntra.
Now be met to sell.
Say nuntra.
Now okodi aduane near kofa edua near the gugum near one who soon and son in nemu pacha chapa.
Go for different. Women you for go for different. My main Facebook na men here message kakra ho na super ya send for appetite and there I concur it here. I say watching the show live from K2 and of course watching the show is live and clear ewo and the Ghana I concur it there or the aba ewo Facebook no bright or say good afternoon Alfredo watching the show live from Tessie. I wish that a different person to win the Ghana Football Association competition. Greetings to Solomon, the Superman. Today I tried to cast out on a promo but a match so and a Jumapa, but the pressure was too much. Promo matches. I say today something. I say Manchester United must do everything to bring the midfielder to United. Sky is the limit. Listen to the show from UG, University of Ghana, right? UG. Okay. Yetia UG phone especially. Super. Yeah, Ghana for a transfers, especially on Mohamed Kudus ne Kamal Dina or movie from Southampton. There's a deal for him England and then of course a deal for him as well France no fee but yeah quite a boy a Black Stars very important because they call Ivory Coast and grown ye kodi.
Well, Alfred, I'm a minchia Miami boss Andrew K. Shen. I say now near Wadoma.
And then the topic that we are discussing in the field, no.
Yeah. Now near
we're very happy to get him.
Now near Wadoma. And Andre the day are you koya and penny for question in the Munyam say Ubia Obedi Kaya wo a ba. Within that period now, Andre are you more core hono. You better know the day are you. Manani ya too the day are you badini.
Yeah.
Wadoma. Na Andrew K. Shen. Ebra Kate Edwin Simon Okraku GFA president. A winning elections. Sabre no mua no wanyam ne yere 9 months. Ama ne yere yes, Kate Okraku. Ama ne yere put you to bed, a bouncing baby boy. Ni amenim twan. And the president of the Ghana Football Association. Efre Andy live. Masa e bin see da o. E bin see in the history. Say wo to bedini. Not live on the screens. President of Ghana Football.
Wow.
Ababa that screen so not always so well. Until the battle tough. So tough.
I saw them ho.
Ebe, brother. Until the battle
Kato Kreku.
Oh, Bisadre. The battle your friend Kato Kreku Jr.
Kuja.
Alfredo.
Akwaba.
Yeah, in here.
Oh, Masay.
3.
Oh, Kato Kreku.
Oh yes, that's the second born.
Ofen Kato Kreku.
Yes.
Kato Kreku Jr.
Naka meze Simon or Kreku muni naka meze man nana raka de.
Chado kakra.
Yes. Kato Kreku official.
When was the last time who Kato Kreku?
Oh, you be a metayhun, but on the other side.
Okay. Do you know there was me video be a camera capture when you Kato Kreku na old man a gam. Me video no me phone so. Is it true? Woman a gam Congress.
Yes.
Me video no me phone so.
Oh yeah, no quite on your day.
Nti when a woman say gam no.
Yes.
Do you know people read meanings to that gam you get to Kato Kreku? But other man in a secret. By camera chill.
No, it doesn't matter.
Oh man, a gum because it was a victory gum.
Is it a gum?
Yes, it was a added Never
video on to Facebook. Never video on Facebook.
Ubisa says like area. Debbie Bisa say area.
Yes, I'm telling you, said always a roadmap number.
Yes.
I am going to pick the form. No me triama Kato Kreku.
Hey,
I am going to pick the form and pay for the GFA presidency.
50,000 Ghana cedis.
Andy.
50,000 Ghana cedis.
Onyana wono.
Now that's not okay.
But 50,000 Ghana cedis.
Repeat what you said.
I'm not
You asking.
Andrew's Quisiation. Miracle, my for form. No me tria. Mr. Market Okreku non-contest for presidency no.
Because,
No win.
Because of why? In quality, but because of why?
Good works.
Okay.
Now we should Chokonko say when you are probably do it.
Okay, yeah.
I don't Chokonko ya wonkum.
You remember GFM come on because maybe
me go to ya.
No, you remember how?
Na me po kan na ya from the war out can me free and kwata kwata kan me walk to the office secretary. Na me go to sika no. And they are
our momo phone so and say we for ATM man.
Ya shaz e bo brand
Why professional teacher? Professional teacher not now.
Bra Facebook na be Andrews kwese sen.
Advanced preparation. Who say yeah call gatherings ah. You for no more high table hono. Who say
so jejeje we dey kuta na hwe ne ya market for the bibi ba be share wa. You be receipt to assist ya. Yanko mamiti.
Who say interaction through interaction. They be an say wo breath no. A refreshing.
Sure.
Yes. Into me ko na maboa me ho. Na me president.
No, but Bemma, what toffee? And the governor, this is what tell me what you need.
No, me bag.
Bemma,
governor the market.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, and who be more be a victory gam.
Charlie,
You just be 7 minutes to super.
May any justice we dey say we anything.
What ending can?
Oh, my telling can. Or see you papa can't tell ye. But which I know you be nyabo time na cheche no.
Fantastic.
We get be busa question.
Very well. Super meet you.
Alfred, Mohammed Kudus, Kamaldeen Sulemana, players are. You know, say, we be form the future partnership for the Black Stars. And then your mummy and no Ubenya, the likes of Antoine Sabenyo Muum, Ubenya Osman Bukari Muum, Ubenya Abdul Fattah Issahaku Muum, NS Nyama Muum. All these young chaps now are more air rising through the ranks to lead the attacking third of the Black Stars. You know. They are our future, and obviously we'll be expect to say going forward, I'm going to bet me about lead the Black Stars to the victory. Now, I know I discussed a little bit on Chris Shooting. Emaneka said, looking at your Black Stars team, no, and then Yama team, no, in the last 40 years, we have been phenomenal in some tournaments, but probably we need the kind of performances of the Black Stars and other day. I'm trying to catch us, Alfred. This transfer window, be sure whether say a players, no, a players are when we are well celebrated across the European continent. And I say, Uko Amononia, your players, no, when we allow the sana. Now, this transfer window, am I a tip of the iceberg? Whether I say Mohammed Kudus a big player, whether I say Kamaldeen Sulemana a big player, whether I say Osman Bukari Mu a big players, this transfer window, no, and I we say, indeed, Ghana Blasters your players, no, Wuko Amanonia, also a bit of a value. Mohammed Kudus has been chased by Chelsea throughout this window. Liverpool at a point eba home. Now it is Arsenal. Last season, now Everton and no more chasing the signature. There are reports that Paris Saint-Germain show interest in Mohammed Kudus. So it shows you clearly say Akolano ewo quality. As to whether see me make use of the quality and also make the right decision with regards to the movement, you know, and also another discussion for another day. Makarada. Say transfers a gamble. Say a former one na fa and farmer one enfa. It is a gamble because the performance of Sadio Mane at Liverpool, it would always marvel. Say Abraham called Bayern Munich in a team relatively not as good as a Liverpool team and Sadio Mane a free now. He could not make a cut because if you look at Bayern Munich set up and that now the two Liverpool team and Sadio Mane a woman that Liverpool team. 3 times better than that of the Bayern Munich team. Yet Sadio Mane called it to me more. And then Hazard make a move. Every Chelsea, Real Madrid, and Okoye went to me more. And it is the gamble of football transfers. A former a command I'm farmer wa, I'm come into that is it. But as at this moment, transfers na Ghana players na you know. As to what they say Mohamed Kudus, able to make it the right decision, no, it is the gamble we are all waiting on. Now looking at the class at Airport Mohamed Kudus, Chelsea abahon. Makaneda said, if you look through the Chelsea team, they don't have a proper midfield conductor. Because Andre Santos, Enzo Fernandez, Conor Gallagher. Now, make I say the main midfield anchor for Chelsea. In terms of transition, Christopher Nkunku. In terms of transition, Michael Mudryk on the flanks. Raheem Sterling on the flanks. Kiene Chuki Emeka. These are players, in terms of quality, nobody can tell me, say, we have better quality than Mohamed Kudus. It's Conor Gallagher and then Andre Santos and after Enzo Fernandez. They are not bigger or better players than Mohamed Kudus. So in the Chelsea midfield, so Chelsea and say Mohamed Kudus, they get a player, Otumibo as a force number 9, Otumibo as a number 8, Otumibo as a number 10, the link between the midfield and the attack. So open a left winger, Obetima Bamau, open a right winger, Obetima Bamau, into Ubenya a multifunctional attacker in your team in Mohamed Kudus. And you look at the Chelsea setup now, it would have fit Mohamed Kudus perfectly. Now for Arsenal, look, Kudus is a fine player, but there's no way Mikel Arteta ever drop it. Abranta the dia de Martin Odegaard say Okobo eye Mohamed Kudus NC. Regardless of the name, Kudus Yabubo Nidino, the kind of a footballer Martin Odegaard, Edema Arsenal, no, it will be very difficult for Mikel Arteta to decide to drop the captain for Mohamed Kudus. NT, that position at Arsenal is sealed by Martin Odegaard. Now, at the number 8, Arsenal, Thomas Partey, Declan Rice, because last season, Arsenal midfield from the start season, na Granit Xhaka, Thomas Partey, and of course Martin Odegaard. So this season, in the absence of Abranta Diade Granit Xhaka, Arsenal assigned Abranta Yafrano Declan Rice. Now Declan Rice comes in as the main holding midfielder for the team. And so Aka Obia box to box Ejumano. It's either Thomas Partey and Jorginho. Now Jorginho so age no ever form. In terms of strength and then tackling ability, Abranta need that tackling ability. No, it's what Jorginho does best to play as a deep line playmaker. To send Andro Pirlo mo with the Juventus. To send Zinedine Zidane mo ebo with Real Madrid in their prime. They play as a deep line playmaker team no more. So it is quite difficult. Say Mohamed Kudus ebabe usti Thomas Partey from the deep line playmaker role, and I said a certain midfield partner with Declan Rice, because Declan Rice, you know, or a constant figure in the Arsenal midfield. There's no way Arsenal coach Mikel Arteta ever sit down Declan Rice into a constant figure. Again, Martin Odegaard a constant figure in Arsenal midfield, and so I can't one midfielder. One finwa, Yadinabeka, a year, saw 2 players, no. And between Thomas Partey and after Mohamed Kudus and after Jorginho, no, it will be very difficult for Kudus or Arsenal or Konya that slot, no, abo.
So Arsenal Mwano.
For me, I do not think Arsenal Bebuano. Because in the attack, Gabriel Jesus, Gabriel Martinelli, Sasso and Bukayo Saka, and Leandro Trossard. They have Fabio Vieira. All these players, you know, if Arsenal wins Nadia, it will be very difficult for Mikel Arteta to drop these players for Mohamed Kudus. And so clearly, it looks as if Chelsea an ideal place to me affect Mohamed Kudus. He will walk straight to Chelsea and pair the roles players in Ewono. He will fit in better. He will command the starting 11 at Chelsea than Arsenal. For Kamal Dean, Team Noah Championship. Start Rene from there to Southampton. it was Memeka say, me want to say it was a bizarre decision, but obviously players, you know, here na Premier League, you know, for more until he decided to come. But at this moment, you know, if he wants to make a move, Everton should be a platform for him. Because as we speak, Demara Gray Eko, and he said Demara Gray Eko, the best player, Obetima fitted that left wing, Everton, no? Obviously, Kamaldeen Sulemana, that quality. And for me, I think says Oko Everton. And the best exposing more.
Right.
I mean, the quality. Sondage, one of the best coaches in the Premier League. We with AFC Bournemouth.
Sure.
So I feel that say Okowa a bit to me Abuano better than going back to France.
Right. Therefore, me person who say Mohamed Kudus ohia English Premier League na. Kudus himself ohia EPL.
Yeah, Medica can say Erika Yenchia yeti for muti.
Yeah.
Well, I believe say Mohamed Kudus. Two teams they we are see am if say okwa ye be hu the talent owo
Okuta.
e chen ye okwa dan di World Cup no e Chelsea and Borussia Dortmund
Because we Chelsea into
no
make any clear.
I've heard unim ma make sure say free Dortmund team nim
Okay.
Dortmund e team a anytime bi am hwe say enkwara na susua no on be farm and am farm nso a am ye am big Emma transfer market no am nya sika. One, Jude Bellingham. Jude Bellingham, baby, I'm going to find a fee. No, be any no, and I know you known. But a bar Dortmund, or Danadimo be on say, I had the modern bono
Quality.
a kind. And a idea Kudus Mohammed tactics our bonus a ball our bono, or better me a fit in. With a place, I want Borussia Dortmund. Say, you're a make us say be 9 dear almost so many players. Sebastian Haller or a lot of players or yes, or more players.
But 9 in ni position or ball.
But because of the runs, at that times I am using force 9. The runs are way. Also with speed.
Yeah.
And of far ball no peganity. No was starting error. I don't think at times you used to know your man about force 9. And you say be a the height and I say be an hoarding. And Oko Dortmund bet me a ball. And on bet a team America say we a young boy and now we a young player now kwa. I'm going to tell my do level be at me some pass say what being. And we share Dortmund team ni more. Player be a young our be fit team nim akobiano ekwa bigger club.
Okay.
Jude Bellingham A1. And then player no free. Jadon Sancho. A2.
I think Ousmane Dembele crowd was also.
Yes.
Ousmane Dembele. Horik Mkhitaryan. Jadon Sancho. Jude Bellingham.
Yeah.
You bet me now Karim Adeyemi mu ho. Even Robert Lewandowski,
yeah.
They all came from Borussia Dortmund.
Yeah.
And
a lot of players.
A hub for talent.
And me feel say, I don't tell man me did it start him buy. And could also hear the type of football and I said, we have quite fast about the ball now. What did they call Dortmund team nima? Maybe I be far Eddie man and I said, obey me a ball, said they said na efata. And me feel say Dortmund ama, but Chelsea Urbano, very good. And Mohamed Kudus. Unim. We have team I say Mauricio Pochettino building now with young players. And we had the kind of footballer Mohamed Kudus Ebona, Sabi and Mauricio Pochettino share Chelsea team him. And say the Solomon Kayano say Okwa Mohamed Kudus best started the Chelsea.
Straight.
Yes. That better Kay say Kudus a player. Obeti me about 5 different positions at the amount.
5.
Say your own team in defend it. What did they call writer? Obeti me abo. What did they call lefter? Obeti me abo. What did they ban Finfia? Obeti me abo. And who you soon as force 9? Obeti me abo. And or your player who told an answer, what did you call team? Who decided and I said, rely on say be one position a person could do sebo. And I know be na Mauricio Pochettino players I will say what show interest or mumunano. And not just a position. And I said, and not just one position. Players and our promo. Opo players are and no mamu yedia. Or bet me a varying tactics. Or bet me a study formation. Player bet me a fit in. And Bakudi Kudus Mohammed. And every club will be a OVRC able prefer say obeying the services of Kudus Mohammed.
Okay. Because of
yes, and bet me a amount. And walk up here we here. And remember, we had Dema Ghana, no, or no, a tempting Silabeti so. And making sure say against Korea, I bet you win game, no. And then we have 2 goals or say on that game, no, Madiba boy, yeah. I don't know my Kudus, it didn't cost wrong. And last season, I won't say I asked him no man said that but here on individual performance, now massive or say season as a year with goals. But a no man could do baby nice and no man said that. And me feel say here the age, here the dribbles. The way you be, I had Mauricio Pochettino in our pay. And as we say, be Ayas, Sika would demand, you know, possible say, be betting your coaches, but Omaka say, some amount no more pen and one mood, agent so the Alfred, but me feel say, Kakudus, Echo Chelsea, a bebo no ankasa, and a bebo national team. No.
Very well. A bright justice on Facebook, or say a great show by our standard. Side with Bismarck Kukusapon. Growth should be in Germany. To help Borussia Dortmund. Sanso and Way Efrem, Samson, Sky. I say Manchester United must do everything right to get okay. Yes, General. I'm Rob. I'm very as I said, me for General no. Hey, go for we no. That's say ever top pressure. Way Efrem, Freeman. I say answer page. Why your eyes make red like that? Or you go some. Okay. Apaja ni red on. Okay. Apaja kafra ma woni nya red. Kofiaje kum black man say on wan tell so no ewo pick farm. And oba unya pork nwie. Oh dabi. O we pork there.
Yeah.
They achi they anwa they aho.
Oh any pork.
Yeah, ja.
So what the pork no ka aka sama me cry.
I don't see a possible. Meaning say interest what this issue be me best na be to obi na yem rough because e time so dey
oh yeah Kudus the issue no. I mean I think that Kudus ne football career no has seen some progress.
Okay.
In the year 2017 I was fortunate time Parkway Fabian from one Ogrumo one no me opportunity you know call Burkina Faso Ivory Coast and say shed that category of players that time now it's more the years now or a lot of prospect and he's been cool on a club at this time. I think that Uncle Arsenal's yes Uncle Arsenal
but maybe great panels in that church say yes no I so obi one can say mfa but the playing time no questionable kakra
playing time then
yes
on Uncle one no
so Bruce Arsenal team now we at obi zoom Bruce way.
Oh, say one Captain Odegaard lawyer. Na wako wishi Washington. Remember no aba. Remember no aba na. Arsenal for is Arsenal for nature. Is Arsenal for nature. Time at party move aba hono. Says one nature. But Arsenal for that is the way they are. Some am Crawford. Me one. At least play them brother on board one cup and down is Kudus or Quebec trophy ko baje.
Exactly. Ko ba bibi kakra
to when you play papa wa balance why the mom but I feel that or the Kudus or
Arsenal.
Magasi me need to England. England board me to support team.
Right, so I know your guest of Boama discussions na koso. Yam refrain na yam hwe enkomo so that be din kan initially no. Ghana Football Association penny for the road map number. Na police be boy e wo Facebook. Bra road map no. Slice ni na no bra. Na yen hu nkomo. Very important. Yen from bia ye J and they forms no a feast a tomb up till when you baby BBR. So on your screen, we say Ghana Football Association election 2023 and I was going to say BAM. Now guidelines and roadmap for the year and also and yedi abiasum and so eti amount. So be who elective positions no be who nominations no and after nomination fees in na she na kama and after voting proceedings in ewo and after venue ye be elections no ni nyina no da so kama pa be hu sampa penifo she roadmap ni nyina da so kama pa ema eno enya so but ye the data and a timeline and any activities no ye na ye go through kakra na me ma abedwefo emrem na as and when no yensa ebeka mpenifo no so are react to and they mpinfo that so timeline activity say and it's from Monday. That was last month, 10th July, and mpinfo approve and the nomination fee our Congress before the tomorrow Thursday, 3rd August. That's and mpinfo a publication on the guidelines now for roadmap the election. I mean, I'm a Monday. Before I hear him say date any venue, you be GFA and the Congress, that particular elected Congress, no, or bet me name in the Kama. They say on Monday now, before APA nominations, the power for and the GFA president, GFA executive council, and of course, regional football association, aspirants in forms from the APA, Monday, and I feel Nifiada at 5 days time on the 11th of August, year 2. Found nomination and I saw my found nomination form Nibia untimi and contest this particular in the election. I mean about 11th August and a closely nominations. No, the same 11th now no pay for about say bia date and venue elected Congress no and for RFN and also a bit me a conkin. The following Monday, pay for ever review nomination forms aspirant candidates ni na no ebe fire no and sana 21st August a whole amount for interest no one what a vet no ebetimi akoso beto tompini for nyina no I say indeed almost a fata say omo lead a football na 28 August na pinfo timi a publication for election committee decisions no and also etimi aba abontema bia etimi akona kwaso ne the following that's the last day of the month that is August 31st and no about the deadline of appeal bia or against any other opponent be on that particular issue. The following month, what jump do bro we chikakra, bro we chikakra what jump. Yeah, here September activities. You August, bro we here September, September day no very well. Yes, we come so. Monday we have vetting now. 28 August publication of election committee decisions no, and also last day that's the August. 31st, no, and also a deadline for appeals against any decision be over. And I know the last day, and so that 7th September, Thursday, and no the final decision appeal now about appealing no. Before that particular final decision, and also a bit me about so the Friday at that time, before a publication for qualified candidate. A whole and Tokwane Bebano. Udia memoir yen to about mount. I mean, on Friday, 8th September, and I'm going to push it up. I got the next slide. Now, you will have the first so amount and I'm phone some kind of this issue. So on Monday, Nyakopon air to my on Monday, not share, where the last slide, there's a slide before this. Yeah, here September, dear, no, here September, dear, mommy. September the mommy. I want them quite very, very important. It's answer one elections never cause date about elections, no, and they were very well. When I'm here on the 8th September, Friday, Name a deadline of submission of names and pictures of the delegate or more Ghana Football Association fee, the RFA, no, you bet me at submit me and the Akoma and the Electoral Commission, no. The following Wednesday, 27th September, an elected Congress, no, Ebebaso. Now, elected Congress, no, and Nama Miensa, and Nama Mienu Nebeye on that day, and Nama Mienu Dinka election of the president, GFA elections, no, 27th September, 27th September, elective Congress, no. And election of the president, right after election of the executive council, that is the GPR rep, Division 1 rep, and of a women's Premier League rep, and more ever for me the executive council. We had 2 elections on that day, 27th September. Not yet me 2 days time on Friday, 29th, and the RFA elections. And no, a me out of that is 29th September, and also bet my juma. And no, you move here the following month of October, first Thursday of the month, that's October, no, RFA chairperson elections no I don't know so betimi akota so almost esco na executive council no penifo se be ye ho adwuma na afei the vice no nyina no ye be ye ho asemaka and so the GFA vice no ye be ni nyina no on the 5th of October adeche Friday penifo be publication of the election results our GFA on website no so ye be publish out to say bam results and say and se be efa ekoye Friday the same Friday now no and they DFE district and the football association elections and so because so say asama pram osu district ah dey so anye ha minim say asama chama tema district guy no on madam for pa and I minim pram for so kakra ha to mo so baye omo de kama be bietimi akonkan and after 30th October elections for the RFA elections, no? 30th October. Hey, my madam birthday, executive. Yes, I like ESCO. Yes, I know. On bet me on the 30th October, and on bet November 10th, Friday, and a penifo publication, no, for that executive council resource, no, on publicity na. FA said on Sunday 13th November no 24 APA nominations for DFA chairperson positions and so it's my hojuma and after ye ni nyina 17th and the November say you closing nominations bibia na bibia so at the pa bra the third slide no mami one and some no common nyina and so brewechi baako ka ho brewechi baako and so ka ho mami brewechi baako and so ka ho mami na yenhwe so we say we aye road map Ghana Football Association penny for at the ababonten from last month to November and bibia from the district level to the regional level to the national level and executive no nyame eya tuma ebeba so den pa eno enya so kuma ade pasan bra bakakra yam bra fa the sanko wechi baako and mama shase also this is the road map for Ghana Football Association elective congress. Yes, your general assessment or opinion about the road map and some of questions be on the date name we know we are bisa.
All right, Alfred Takyi was say.
Yeah.
Na in administration, or time bound, which area no, and brought down.
Yes.
And say before ever call Congress, who come say, na GFA far road map bay.
Yes.
Road map bay. Road map and the
Aba.
This is the road map. It takes a lot of work to come up with some document like this. Document here by the way. Say time frame no woman. I mean, are flexible.
Okay.
A bit na ayo bibiara wom. I mean, ain't to me can't sham there. The member was a boy there kokofa war nomination for my time we be close no. If you have 1 week or a too short.
1 week is too shorter.
How? A better be a president will come ha. You want to become a president. Raise 50,000 Ghana cedis within a week for 4 it is too short. Then what kind of president are you coming to be?
Okay. Mama what was so mama so me no former boss incoming Ghana Football Association GFA president candidate Edin Komo all the way United States of America.
All right.
Edin Komo. Chairman, what are my ultimate ka memo akwaba Edaba Onua FM sports centers. We be able to chairman.
Bibia boko metso kadodo. Yeah, fine. I want say
chairman yes you we. Good. Chairman, GFA, Jebo, Anya Babetu, roadmap naba, me sure say when you copy, we'll go through. We okay?
Oh, me okay, me okay. I'm there. Catch another mammy, I'm in a washroom that I and I wanted them roadmap you or daba. So no, why your election stop a president? I'm not watching I'm going to a better president.
Mr. Kodiaka, I na wunya okay. Oyin na wunya okay.
Bibia lo dabo to be okay. Bibia elections order yet to a Alfred chairman and sana ya to. because all them don't wait in Kawa around there 2-3 weeks, 1 month ago. All the forms are coming from our Sansan. We really did. And today he is doing everything, but Perota stay or a offender Gano, a association. On this thing too, no, Oma a association, anything can happen. A association. Or Ghana, I could get like Alfred. Aha. Now the bad why he's doing glass. I can't know the most of the Takyi.
Oh, catch a quick.
Where don't they?
Catch a quick slow Kojoyanka.
Oh, so the Takyi. Until I had about them would mappy. Well, what kind that? The two, no, the two, a offender, Alfred Takyi Mensah. Two presidents and Zara to Alfred Takyi Mensah.
Emre Daniel also done it on be and
I mean, Tina, our friend, the time, would think I want to Alfred Takyi and Sana want to presidential. This trip is so I mean. Or to presidential Salawa to Alfred Takyi. Also, no, Yujuma. Mrs. Okodo, no, you're the Madia. Mechede. Mrs. Adene Dombado, elections number.
Ah, tell me,
Dombado. Ombado, something terrible will happen. Ombado, something terrible will happen. I'm telling you.
Tell me, I don't know, so.
Ah, now the bad didn't conquer why you're about to wait. The man didn't conquer why you're about to wait. About the elections, no, Abado. It's true as I why.
Jamanti, into a then a year, said about election, and then a year to this year. But okay,
number though. I'm telling you, something terrible will happen. I'm telling you, I'm not just talking.
Terrible, like Chairman.
Obesi, Osebo.
Tell me what was the injection?
I mean, because the injection. But they had it. You kasa who kasa. He knows he cannot win the election. Now let me copy our catch the elections. He can only win the election by going unopposed. He can only do the unopposed.
So me who the reason why tell say election numbers. So then we be said about then
elections, you know, but so something terrible will happen. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm telling you. All Ghanaians now on another case. What will happen? I say.
But you asked for the roadmap and I catch the amount.
The roadmap this what you this month roadmap in there. I mean, what kind of behavior is this? Iguananiza, he wants to win by he wants to win at all costs. So that is what he should do. On the way the guy will go out or the forms are come out, why not slow?
Catch the forms. Catch in the forms. Aqua class no. MOI and Nossi.
Yes, that. He's done it.
Wow.
He's done it already. With the card in the forms. Someone come on, someone
the Silla, what's the elections name? Embasso.
Miss elections number do. But something terrible will happen. I'm telling him.
German,
elections number.
German, on threatening Kato Krikudia.
Men threatening now. They might conquer why or you're more than threatening. They might do roadmap from conquer why on that about 2 plus roadmap for today. A disgrace in class roadmap for today. And I want to be or you're more than threatening.
But as about first I say raise concerns because of integrity in terms Udane say a time too short.
I'm integrity. Now I'm more integrity, son. I'm more integrity, son. He knows.
Anything on your sports and I say not.
Wanna?
Oh, integrity, why?
Scared. You are talking about integrity, say integrity now. Let me tell them what integrity, son.
Okay.
Integrity in Jesus Christ. No matter why the oil to the highest degree.
Chairman,
You want to win the election by all means, at all costs. You know, or the Nyama on factor. Association, although this is association, this is not Ghana.
Chairman, what is wrong with the whole roadmap now? GFA Deba Bont. What is wrong with it?
Everything is wrong. How can you come up there? First of all, you could take 50,000.
And then you one wrong.
Wrong. 2, the roadmap this month. Next this month, friend and closing date, everything. Pay this within the same month. I mean, now why elections so IFS, presidential and Sana, IFS because IFS term of law, then a lot of them will lose their elections. You know, one Sansa, one man and Sana will lose her. He's just thinking about himself. He's not even thinking about the IFS chairman. He's not. Because Bebrina will lose one election. You know, one man and Sana, so will lose, I will lose. IFS chairman. You should think about yourself.
That IFA chairman,
you should think.
One more able to so much no. Katawana.
I will try to I'm not saying this on air, but I'm telling that IFA a lot of them will lose their seat. So why is he fighting? They should vote for him before they lose their elections.
Okay. Chairman, dabe na oba Ghana aba pick your form.
Me. I'll come.
You be a nomination on Monday.
Don't worry. I'll come. Yes,
from today so next week Friday. I saw pick your form now.
The last reality there at the roadmap there. Next Friday. I mean, you guys get no so too much.
But by now,
he will not get the seat. He will not get the seat. He will not. Oh, yeah.
Sala football for Nika. Sala football for Nika.
I'm in America. I'm going to America.
95.1.
Oh, yeah. Mr. Say, elections on battle. So on battle, so something terrible will happen. I'm telling you.
My words there, it seems
you want to win the elections. When you need the elections, he knows he's lost the election. Into a copy of Fada over winning all year. Entire chairman for now, I'm telling you,
all right.
He's thinking about himself.
Chairman, Medasi.
Look at this behavior, please. Nowhere mobile. I'm telling you, get nowhere mobile.
Chairman,
nowhere mobile.
Okay. Chairman Mate. Chairman Mate. Chairman, you fancy.
People will realize you always think about yourself. People don't do too much. Your own pain. And Kwafuna ought to win. No, Nana. Mate, Medasi.
Chairman, it was a for already there, Chairman, Kojoyanka, former RFA, Chairman, GFA, ESCO member, and Otis, only Edin Como, all the way from USA, and Otin. And we mammy na, Mima, what's it, Kojoyanka?
What? Okay. Right, he who calls for equity must come with clean hands. Why? Why na working? That 8 years he went unopposed. And Western region. And nobody call unopposed. You are crying foul. Please don't take me there. Do not take me there. Don't test my temper. Please, I'm sorry.
I say Keto Kriku.
Please.
Keto Kriku.
Now you see what integrity. I'm sure
yes.
that the word integrity was not understood. Integrity. Who went to define integrity?
Or USO.
Please. Now integrity what do go USA?
No, but I was understood there and I say
my friend, Massa, this is the roadmap. Listen, Obi about tried about compare normalization time frame was by and the person is mistaken. Orion from why? At that time we're coming from baby and a young quarter. This is a tenure. Ember and administration womb. You're true about 25th October, true or false?
True.
4 years ago.
Yes.
So even if you're going to election 26th October, it means that the tenure is expired.
Yeah.
Yeah, Budo. And as a lecture of constitution, it means no yembu embrace shadow. And also timeline about. But you want to be a president, you can't work within a month, you can't work within 3 weeks.
But one week,
IMF deal. IMF deal. Now you were supposed to put up document together within 2 weeks. Now you are unable to meet it. Are you a president with? Please, this is the roadmap. This is the roadmap.
You don't have any problem with the roadmap. You don't have any problem with the roadmap.
What should be the problem?
Already consents. Elections are presented before RF any 1. 2. Sika seminar that forms.
One problem with Ghanaians is
Sika seminar form ne board.
Listen. Hey, echo UCC Dr. Park and Ocham. You change Ghana no. You change the we keep on doing the same old thing and expect new results. It cannot be possible. It's my able to know that the status quo no one can challenge it. There will be a yato no a form any other streets in there. You to monto no so from form.
No, blocks 1 2 them 1 2 fees of boom.
One of catch you.
Oh, when was there what to blocks from so that before.
What?
And I what to phone.
Have you tried it? Have you tried it?
Try it.
So try.
Okay.
If you can develop a technology, where you can start from there and come down.
But it's possible. It's possible.
It can work for you.
Yeah, it's possible.
What's a concrete for film? There was a blog that said, "No, on the day at our era, we are more educated than former,
Yeah.
Please, you want to be a president?
Yes, of course.
That's 50,000.
Or Dawson.
Was it not in the Congress convocation?
2-3 minutes. Let me mouse.
Was it not in Congress convocation?
Yes.
Also, did you see one petition against that figure? So where are we so hypocrite? Why are we playing that ostrich game? Or also, no, 50,000 also. Into year 2 abanamon. Eba is going to run association.
And that's the football is called.
Hello.
Yeah. Sika is going to if accounting them.
Before you.
Was it a Sika? And the Berani Association. Yeah. And second, the bottom can do any association.
Relax.
No.
Solo Nyabote.
No, Mama may intelligent. Oh, Bibi, I just to put it down.
Last 2 4 years.
Just put it down.
To be in a leadership role. To be in a leadership role. It is your connectivity.
Okay.
Your connection with the other corporate, Now, when you are coming, you must convince and prove to us that you are capable. If you're good for accounting, excuse my language. Also, I don't go accounting.
No, there be someone work for it.
Do you think that good for accounting? No, sorry, I'm from nowhere. No good for accounting. It took connections and connectivity of some president of the association or the chairman. So now $50,000, 50,000 cedis. You should be able to cover that money. You should be able to bring that money on board.
As a president,
business. You don't need a capital.
No, you need it. But I need Obi won him there, no, or the knowledge, or the strength, or the desire to serve. Not only that,
what are you going to serve with? Desire to serve. What are you going to serve with? Desire to serve. What are you going to serve with?
No, depending on
please, how you have love. I got your girlfriend there. I love you. I come to your girlfriend. No, I was say I love you. Will she eat love? That's okay. Please don't bring it down. Please, as last season, what you have 5,000 cities.
Yes,
5,000 cities.
At least 7,000.
Please,
at most 10,000.
Make her tie.
Yes.
Last 4 seasons, and I'm making years because I sang a whole 4 ties.
Yes.
That cost me about 3,300 cedis. The same, some few months down the line, Mokoto two ties. Also cost me that same 3,200. Time last what are you saying?
Dollar rates are affecting.
What are you go to where they sell ties. I don't know the car you use. Minimum car you use, but if you use, remember car me use here.
I'm
the whole 4 times.
I'm trended.
The whole 4 times. I want not to know. Some few months down the line, Mokweno, it could only buy 2 ties.
3,000.
2. So remember for last 4 years, example. Now from last 4 years, listen there. Do you know inflation? What we could do?
It was and I
50,000.
50,000.
Oh, yeah, dollars. But see this.
I see this.
Bring 50,000 cedis. Coco pay conform. You are because you will be disqualified. You
wanna I'm empty.
Bring the 50,000. You will be disqualified. I'm telling you, this is what gonna happen.
I will tell when it's going my back.
Listen, the word integrity was under
understood.
Messi, listen. Ultimately 50,000 cedis. No, Tiopa he'll be disqualified. I'm telling you. Yes, come on here. No, so Tiopa he'll be disqualified.
All right. Super Mamitio. Mamitio. Yeah, Bismarck so a lot of.
Onye GFA president.
No. Can I say allow you?
Alfredo, I have an issue. I have a concern.
Your concern can come later.
No, bring check.
No. I agree, sir.
No, should be
Secretary, Onye member of the vetting committee.
No,
I agree. But currently, or a member of the Western Regional Football Association.
Yes.
Under whose administration?
Keto Kreko.
Good. So the statement no make you know.
Yeah.
Say, were you referring to Mr. Kojuyanka? Is he the only candidate?
No. One
team, but please. Sometimes you have to come with.
No, we are not discussing Kojuyanka here.
Based on Kojuyanka's interview that we are reacting to. Is he not reacting to Kojuyanka's interview?
No.
He's reacting to Kojuyanka's interview.
I have not mentioned Kojuyanka's name.
Better.
On my submission.
For want of
no, but we're reviewing and discussing.
I agree.
The
If you are reviewing,
so
then I get it. Secondly, I get it. If that is what he's saying, I agree.
Yeah.
I pause there. Secondly, when say Bismarck can say 50,000, he made a statement that we need 50,000. When you come to power, which money are you going to use
to run the
association? Yeah. Point of correction. He explained later. Say connections are president not one and he should make it clear. Say personally, when you become the president of the FA, bottom second of the FA, no, he should make it clear. That please, whether pre-finance or whatsoever, you don't use your personal money to administer the football association.
Clarify. Thank you so much.
No, relax.
Solo on the floor. Solo.
Michia Isaac Kansapeja. Michia Bismarck.
No, we are slow here.
Well, Alfred, I think, sir, Metia keenly the interview, our name Mr. Kojuyanka here. And Mashe keenly, with a keen interest, an eagle eye.
Oh, 500, I beg you, just do time.
The roadmap.
Okay.
Like I've said, Alfred, may assure, say, Obia or person pray to be the GFA president, why are prepared?
Why ready?
Me say, Obia what bad one thing say, or per se, or running the office of the Ghana Football Association. No? Why are prepared? 95.1. Look, I hate it when we behave hypocritically. Were we not in the same country when people, Mr. Kojuyanka, on this same network was calling for the roadmap?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Auntie, what? Oh, Andy Misrao. Andy Misrao. So, Alfred, what is his problem at this moment?
But you are too short, super.
Short in any day.
You can't open a nomination 5 working days.
Alfred, when you are a soldier.
For you to...
Alfred, when you are a soldier.
It's not. Let's be fair a little.
When you are going for war, you prepare yourself even in your sleep. Nabetre. Me say. Ah, Mr. Kojonyanka were declaring intention, and he said he has spoken to whoever he needed to speak to. Mebwa. And everybody was waiting. Everybody was waiting for the roadmap. Say roadmap in a bar, and no be able to stand.
Yeah.
Georgia Free ever declared any intention. It means that we are ready to contest. They were only waiting for nominations to be opened. No more filing. And to say, you be a nomination. No, they say 1 week. I didn't think it was a difficult thing for people to do. You should be ready. Why you ready to be a GFL president? Would that and them Ukrano and was so we are ready. And to me, that's a short period, nedia, a book was Number 2, baby, a minute could yank a Jenny would be the election of the regional executive because
let's say a 2
because the RF, you know, when we say they are congressmen.
Yes.
Apart from that, you know,
every region be 2 votes on the election.
Only for ESCO.
Yes.
ESCO, no, the RFS never voting for 2 people for the ESCO. Now, at the GFA, say you two GFA.
I'm talking about the candidate. If I say
no, all the regional,
delegates now.
The delegates, all the regional football association chairman are
the secretary and the chairman.
Okay, yeah. The secretary and the chairman.
Yes.
The secretary and the chairman are
the 2 each.
And all the regional football associations, 10 regions, no?
Yeah.
10 regional football association chairman.
20 delegates.
Secretaries.
Yes.
Into only 20 delegates. And about 12. Again, I feel that looking at the time frame, say you told the regional football association elections now, we can still come and vote for the president. Because say you got to a president in every year, it still falls within or more mandate now. But I feel that there should have been the RFA elections before the presidential elections. Me.
But my memory too, but I don't even
me say if son ye na and but should anybody talk about 50,000 or me? I told you say anybody who will raise that issue, that person, make it for your own serious in life.
Because some more raise the issue. When
the proposal came,
yeah,
I'm going to call Congress for Congress approval. I'm going to call Congress. No, they kept quiet. People kept mute. They left the grounds because of you say Obi campaign. So they left. When they came, decisions had already been taken. And then you come out here to tell me, say, Sikanoso, me na me call you too. Congress me count. And who can't change?
What time soon?
Oh, mommy, 5 minutes. It's my 5 minutes.
Hey, now we're telling that so my best mark. I can't just 30 seconds. We mommy. Face if I'm my best mark.
As I come 30 seconds. Alfred, which is too much. But Alfred, on holistically, I think say I was a Ghana for G2. The football people in G2 say the elections, you know, it should be within a stipulated time frame.
Okay.
The elections, Keto Kraku, ne administration, no, ebe ended in October. Yanji to say ended in October. And the elections, you know, from August till October, I was here making sure say you be and I don't know why all of a sudden it is becoming a problem. We have been calling for it. Embro, ebaya. And so
I have problem.
Say next year. And so you say Argentina. What course are they next year?
Super. My best mark. Alhaji Sheriff Sephobia so Manetaso. So you shall say, please greet Andy for me. Kurt has won already. Mr. Kojoyanka is not serious. We Sheriff messenger or the Abren so. Other for over 5 minutes.
I mean, I think, sir. 5 minutes now. The amount of credits.
No, what pass up?
Maybe say,
we are paying come listen.
Yeah, the tracker say, I'm on for roadmap nimra.
And check a calendar 2 minutes.
Make us say a month or two. Any status CSI campaign.
Yes.
And me and him say, be a banner, a bit so short. Say 5 working days. I was our deba. And believe me, make now, what the aba? Ewiase no ho. Ewiase wo ya de bia. E wo so odwe ho mienu.
Okay.
O ya de a. And who the idea di obi a. Ke hu se dan kwama bia no obi an fa niwa o de bedu abusu. Yes. 5 working days. Oba pick form no submit it. Even say the flight and a use so Ghana ha. Oba timi akọ all the 16 regions no. And I'm say the 10 regions no. Akwa campaign. It's not fair. It's not fair. And then there, and then you be, but what chance no? I be. Never say me say. Last 4 years.
Yeah.
Almost 5,000 each.
Yes.
And like Omodurani Association.
Dabi.
Bizarre mami.
Dabi.
It is also no now 50,000 no Omodurani Association. It's no. FIFA can over the day. FIFA this can buy the day. Sikana FIFA the every year no. The year. And I can't go because say only the bottom can of the Running Association. No. But the 5,000 nipa saying no more saying. Nipa 5. O come on say. Na but the omo mo FA because say Sikana be to more salary. No. Etiam ye educating go for me ka say bia 50,000 no and they call Running Association. So 50,000 e kwada bia 3 months salary and so. You pay transition account. Look at it. What do you say?
Yeah.
And so it is 50,000 no can. Me the problem with the 50,000 now. Obo coordinates no me get 2 money.
Problem with it. Go
No, many problem because say omo fee say.
Okay.
Enya. Come ready consensus or
Congress na.
Congress na say.
Yeah.
But omo get 2 money there me many problem me to be. But the time frame is too short. I 1. And 2. I that 50,000 no. And omo the Running Association. FIFA discover. What do you say? I don't be able to discover the Running Association no. Association officers in Fasoni wa ko bi abe place obeko ho. What do you say?
Yeah.
Etimi na de make nyina ne say omo na kwaje to me say 50,000 no betua.
Okay.
But time no mo de buy na me hu ni say omo anya fair to the other candidate no. Na so lo ka say election committee, when they form is election committee no. Eh hwan?
Esco for na
Executive council.
My Alfred Takyi is part of the
executive council.
Yes.
When they down no.
Get okay.
Basa. I am medicine ya.
I waka aka 2 minutes be yema me na me mfa course no.
I'm highly disappointed. Western Regional Football Association's General Secretary.
I don't want attacking the street.
I'm not attacking him. I said I am disappointed. Alfred, my argument has got to do twofold. First of all, the very first day now, I'm proposing say into 50,000. I had issues.
Okay.
So from where we ended the last one, your best and the crana not such a percentage.
Yeah.
Because
about 2,000 or so.
Yes, wow. But at the end of the day, there was an opportunity for the football people to oppose it. And almost got so that ends it.
Okay.
Majatu. Now, when you call for elections, I agree, say, Kate, the first 10 and ending in October.
Okay.
I agree. But you open fairgrounds for everybody for elections. In my opinion, the time frame, and calling for fairgrounds for other countries. Please, when you were talking, I was quiet.
Only my our floor.
So you should allow me to express my opinion. That is my
a man from Kasa. A man from what I want from him.
The fact is that Mr. Kojoyanka are ready to oust Kate Okreku. George Efrieso obetu Kate Efrieso. Kate also seem 9 amudi 2 years cry and find you may be a sense and someone won't. But 2 years now, my year, Jumapano, Obian will be to minimum computing. So you open grounds for everybody. So, Benya, no, can say who for equity must come with clean hands. Yes, it is there. But what catch him say, maybe file for presidency. Me, I mean, integrity test. You're passing me out as a candidate to stand for the FA. Yes, I can start to do my 1 or 2 campaign, but the official campaign will only come after I've been passed. Submit me a contested. Please. Can you use
on our platform?
Alfred, can you use 2 weeks to tour the whole country? President or many say electoral commission say about 2 weeks. Nanado entourage say Alan Newini and only the NPP. Alan ne John Mahama and Eko Bite for. Battle for. No more regional and I say Ghana campaigner. 2 weeks, no. NPP as a sitting government, all the apparatus at their disposal, no, would they be able to use 2 weeks to tour the whole Ghana?
I doubt.
That is my question. Alfred, what I say?
Yeah. But don't also take say before we make your mind say.
I've said it already.
Yes,
I've said it already.
You should be able to start doing
You should be able to.
So giving you 1 week.
Proper campaign to get to the candidate to the level. So integrity test of one person. Say Kofi Apeja ohun song some dey can say work fast Robi. What's the make no? Whatever they've brought on board, the right direction, and almost I agree. But yeah, common. Oh, of course, I won't be hypocrite. But common sense. And yeah, sometimes apply with our education.
Very well.
Because I would you know and I make us as a cat and to be honest with you, he's done a lot of positives. Yes. And those people now mobile, it will be very difficult for them to take him away. But my fair grounds, and yes, sir, that's my question.
0556-692-445. 0556-692-445. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Alfredo.
Adana.
Alfredo.
Adana, yet you.
Long awaiting roadmap no. Abeja, debi amika se samai, bububa nehu obedua enye hu bio. Unia dadia yenye beyi, yesi roadmap abedu uye bema na we show bema sem. Yembisa se unye kradwa untimi ma as a GFA president. Eti once I say ebeba sikani su ebise na edos dodo sabi mi ye football president, mi ye football fan. Ye ka hu na ye ba mi ntuaba. Omu ko duru ho no one of be dwane so omu ntra ho because of eniguatieti omu dwane ye omu ntra ho bio. Samo ye di na ya di atum ye si football contest as a GFA president abet 50,000 when you are ye be disqualify. Enti no eye
Adana meso medase pa adana dia ono so ode aba enso no mefa next call 0556-692-445. Hello, good afternoon.
Alfredo.
Papa Yoniana.
The whole circle no bakupe. But no sisters, the whole guitar class supporters organizer. Alfredo, in fact, Papa, interview now, could you anchor no? To do with more segment, that's in Mura, to say, Ubia, so could you anchor. Almost in fact, Obaduma, himself. In fact, Alfredo, could you anchor me to me the room when you see what I say? Because I can't what I say. It's 70 roadmap, any about. I don't know, follow. What you are to cry? Obia pay you know. I come on and I will tell you Pia to every president. Over the Ghana next slaughter.
Second sono.
Okay, to say I let you go on. I know calling me 7 naked. Now Nicola Tobana. Yeah, me football person Gampuno. Nicola could dog against and let up Metawame. Or maybe I am a Ghana football, not the Tita who there. Not the Titano, Korea who there. I do. But I'm not going to make it say, and the other president that he robbed. I'm for a young time for two, and I am not read my plan, and I read my plan at the back. What I say? Now I don't hear MO. I said, if you got the 50,000 dollars, hey, I don't know what I said, and now every president, I'm not sure how to say. I'm not crying or what this I do. Now we will 5 million. Taking from the president and say, and also, no, that's the video. And then the next crowd, the next crowd.
Baba Yechia Sek for Namunkosoa na monitor Unia Sports Center Jumedino. Memefa next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Me bata o dinu be Kasafri.
Angre winning, battle doctor Kazenya.
Age bo bako de.
Enyame adum.
Age bo yentio.
Dana ha de wa wonu say yem pa de pa. Ade pa bia ba ya tochini. Na gojo yanka no wan kasa woti studio waka. Titi ade papa ben wa ya Ghana. Football
pram wako pram akebo akọ pram da
bra ono ne bra dance na football mu no kwan ben wa fa so papa wa Ghana o pese ye ti na di keke na wa betu nya pia na okọ ade papa bia Ghana fo mpe Kate Otis Omutu na Ghana football. Koya anymore in Vieda. Up Omuntu in there. No more for before. Obia ni what the Papa Bia Ghana football Mutisia.
Okay.
Jumbo Omutu na Ghana football. Na I've never cut down more. Obia ni what Baba took it. Omobwa.
Akabo medasi akabo sunedia oti eba no 0556 69 2445. Hello, good afternoon.
Alfredo.
Yes sir.
Bibi aboko there.
Bibi fine.
This year Abobo ya president kwampo di 50,000 kwa ye nje. Enti no oba be di president dia no be say e ka tire no.
Abobo ya association president nomination form no 50,000 money. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I see. Abubu ya force go omo bibia election be executive elections. President form 50,000 common into GF that's a ofem. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Alfredo.
Me ba jwani?
Arafat phobia ni.
Hey, phobia boko there.
Oh, nyame na mo so.
Okay, is there bibia koso day 3 no?
Ah, yes, I'm good. Bibia boko there.
Sila coach in my
coach no there. Technical director about.
I don't know.
Technical director ho.
What no?
Technical director.
What's the wine?
Technical director.
Okay. Mommy to Arafat.
Alfredo, Alaja Bulavi, Omaluta Sholo. I just said good to her.
Yenchana.
The pastor, Alaji, Namisra, Ovia. The American say, road map now, but to Jano. What I say, you know, Yelbeto Banuka Cat, the demonstration was failing. Into no, what was that? A crab was a call no post, no, David to Jano. What I say, and so, Yakupo here. What I say, oh, the Bia Biano, over free so. Then Yakupo seen him on the berry. What I say, and yet obey any short period now at the Bebano, and a baby, I don't man renew. What I say, on the time of very no journey as so very so Rene. Saturn Yakupo and the demand is all Rene, no, the Rene. Until we know, and yet a short period now at the Betuja said. You know, and I be my warning election. What I say, Yakupo has to bury in the burying. The Ghana football now say now, say no. Now, over any much. Election, what day? I did to crown one day. I know the best one election in Crana. What I say, Ghana Hana, serious, but by national to see now, I say, Ghana national teams now, I say. Ghana Football League na Bonukrano, which we organize award. Ya ball league who now see Ghana League, you know, I attractive. Ya ball Ghana League the data, which we organize award. What I say, Ebo and Kofu Abasu said, Omabo Humade. Now, what the short period, Eba said, what by that and Kofu said, a young to about Mounty. Integrity, Ben a chair said, who got to some of it? Yakobo Kujo Mensah and Dane Goza and Kujo Mensah and the about team. Integrity Bay. Dr. Kofi Amwa and a friend say, I'm Sakino. Dr. Kofi Amwa, Sadiano. I said, this qualified to Krokukra, what I say. So, become integrity at them. Cut all become integrity at them. Cut, when you're so, Dane Goza and the event Kujo Mensah. Then I hope you himself a prayer day. What I say, if you want to cut it, the administration was very photo. Medasi,
Meso Medasi, Nyame, so in show. Nana Kwame Jan, the police are papa the whole Ghana. Nana Kwame Jan. Young produce drive time. Nana Kwame, oh, Nisa Zukroma. Hello, good afternoon.
Alfredo.
Bakwadie.
Yeah, Busu.
Yet, you didn't make us afraid.
Ghana football, I said, in January, I said, 50,000 Ghana baby. President, private paper packet, and I beg the president. And you say, oh, not all to you. Who's on us, I say, yeah. But you can't bra. There's a young say, I say anything, I say this discussion. It's Paticano bra. No one year, Fabra, the only one India. Fan of said a bit. And then I'm meeting can catch our say. A bobo ya cramponi with cramponi from car, oh, Baba, fan of the 50,000 back and do. And this is on what is about 50,000 crampona, you whom mobile if I'm that. No better than maybe I can say, football, I said, anyone, engineers are saying, 50,000 brand, and Shemushima, send a bear almost Africa, a Benya Biama, Monomida, bye bye.
Well, I see. Yeah, for course, no, in our infancy. Drive time, Dr. Prekese, and DJ will name Afi, Papa Shamo, and got and answer for me, sir. Bana, Omode, if any drive time, you may know. Albert 12. So, na seke say encore and from the sports kirunina Isaac and Sampija, Bismarck Kwekusapon, Solomon Amankwa, the Superman Afi, at the part GH, Obako Papa B, and Afi, the executive producer, our Unia Sports Dex, Nathaniel, Obin, the legend Evergreen. And that woman is in Kunya, this show the Ebro, Media, the Alfred Takyi Mensah, I mean, Monday, 1 p.m. Your best science station, Sabake Bia, Trust Unia Sports. You remember, headquarters of Ghana Football Association elections, you know. Until then, ya crown. Bye bye.